Welcome to Asharfa English.
Difference between do and can.
Do is used to ask questions about regular habits, routines, or general actions in the present. Can is used to ask about a person's ability, skill, or capacity to do something.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can play piano.
Do you go to the gym?
Yeah, I go to the gym.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Do you take a nap?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Can you type fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every morning.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can bake a cake.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I clean dishes.
Can you sew clothes?
Yes, I can sew clothes.
Do you brush your hair?
Yes, every morning.
Can you make tea?
Yes, I can make tea.
Do you drink juice daily?
Yes, I do.
Can you teach math?
Yes, I can.
Do you cook often?
Yes, almost every day.
Can you jump that far?
Yes, I can jump that far.
Do you go for walks?
Yes, I go for walks.
Can you fix phones?
Yes, I can fix phones.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Can you lift weights?
Yes, I can lift weights.
Do you feed the birds?
Yes, I feed the birds.
Can you write stories?
Yes, I can write stories.
Do he wear glasses?
Yes, he wears them.
Can he climb trees?
Definitely, like a pro.
Do he collect stamps?
Yes, he collects them.
Can he tell time?
Yes, he can.
Does she wear a hat?
Yes, she wears one.
Can she tie her shoes?
Yes, she can tie them.
Do they play soccer?
Yes, they play it.
Can they jump high?
Yes, they practice a lot.
Do you feed your pet?
Yes, I do.
Can you open the lid?
Yes, I can.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Let's practice giving negative responses.
Do you visit friends?
No, I do not visit friends.
Can you drive a truck?
No, I cannot drive it.
Do you play cards?
No, I don't play cards.
Can you write code?
No, I can't write code.
Do you cook dinner?
No, I don't cook dinner.
Can you do magic?
No, I can't do magic.
Do you wear shoes?
No, I don't wear shoes.
Can you tie a knot?
No, I cannot tie a knot.
Do you play outside?
I prefer staying inside.
Can you fix the button?
No, I can't fix it.
Do you use a phone?
I do not use a phone.
Can you draw a map?
No, it's difficult for me.
Do you use soap?
No, I do not use soap.
Can you help him?
No, I can't.
Do you eat fast food?
No, I don't eat fast food.
Can you write a story?
No, I can't write a story.
Do you water plants?
No, I don't water plants.
Can you run a mile?
No, I'm not that fit.
Do you like ice cream?
No, I don't like it.
Can you fly a drone?
No, it looks hard.
Do you jump rope?
I don't know how.
Can you make soup?
No, I can't make soup.
Do you watch sports?
I find them boring.
Can you set an alarm?
I don't know how.
Do you eat snacks?
No, I do not eat snacks.
Can you write a report?
No, I cannot write it.
Do you fly kites?
No, I do not fly kites.
Can you draw a cat?
No, it's hard for me.
Do you take photos?
No, I don't.
Can you tell a joke?
No, I can't.
Do you like movies?
No, I don't like them.
Can you open this box?
No, I can't.
Do you drink juice?
No, I don't.
Can you cook rice?
No, I can't.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.